What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Light Bright K coming to another YouTube video. In today's video, as you can see from the title that you clicked on here today, I will be showing you a product review on the new CreamOf Nature Pure Honey line that just came out not too long ago. The new collection targets dry, dehydrated hair to provide essential moisture, softness, and smoothness where your hair needs it without weighing it down. I was just so happening going to Walmart and I saw it. I was like, oh my god, this is very pretty. Wow, what is this? And it was for dry hair. And as you can see, I have colored my hair. It's been dry, it's been brittle. I mean, just look at it. Just look at it. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So I didn't get the whole CreamOf Nature Pure Honey line because your sister is still kind of broke. And CreamOf Nature ain't cheap. But I did get the special things that I was actually needing. My first product is the CreamOf Nature shampoo. Then I have the CreamOf Nature conditioner. I also have the CreamOf Nature setting lotion. And last but not least, the twisting cream. First, I'll grab my Afro pick and start picking out the naps in my hair. And yes, I do this with my hair dry. Now with my spray bottle, I will be spraying the roots of my hair to make sure I get the product and dirt buildup first. Now moving from my roots, I will be working my way up to my ends. So again, with my spray bottle, I will wet every part of my hair and continuing with my shampoo. Now I'll be grabbing my conditioner and I will evenly apply it throughout my hair. Now with the wide tooth comb that you can get from your nearest beauty supply store, I will be raking through my hair to get all of the tangles out. Following along with the wide tooth comb, I will grab my wig brush and it just helps me evenly distribute the conditioner throughout my hair. Look at them curls forming, girl. I see you, girl. Now this is me finger detangling and massaging my scalp for hair growth. Okay, you guys, this is me 10 minutes later and look at these curls. Look at the curls. Look at the curls. Look at them. You see them? You see them? Slow motion. Yes, you guys, this is toward the end of the video, but if you would like to see part 2 of my styling routine, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and I will holler at you all in the next video. Deuces.
Boom!